Hey guys, right, so my name's Joe Green and today I'm going to fix this camera like that and then I'm going to unbox the Apple Watch. So this is the Series 3 Apple Watch, it's a night version and yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, so here is the Apple Watch Series 3, can't wait to get into it, that's my reflection, very shiny box. Let's just get on over here and just get into this little fella like that. Bingo! Apple Watch, shiny box, not so reflective, which is great. Let's get into this. So, what we've got is we've got the box, we've got some instructions, and boom! Look at that fella. Whoa. Shiny, straight out of the box, no issues. So we've got the watch, we've got some instructions, they look nice. And we've got one charger cable with a little circle doodah. Then we've got our little classy Apple plug, looking swish, and then that is everything that comes in the box. Then you've got this little plug, pull that fella off there like that, and plug it out. Nailed it, like that. So that is pretty much the entire unboxing video done and dusted. Looks shiny, new, and I am ready to get this bad boy on the road. Look, we've even got the special red dot, which makes you know it's the S3. You like the Apple Watch? Love it? Thanks for watching guys, and if you've got any questions about the Apple Watch or any features that you want to know more about, then just let me know. Cheers for watching and see you soon.